Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off the Samsung Daily on Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. So let's do it. So if you swipe to the left, you will find the Samsung Daily, and sometimes is annoying, and if you want to turn it off or disable, it is very easy. Just push it long on the main screen. Now swipe to the left, and we have here Samsung Daily, and just turn it off from here. Then exit, and now if you swipe to the left, you don't have any more Samsung Daily. If you want to turn it on again, push it long, swipe to the left, and from here you can turn it on. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.